We've just acquired this Jaguar 2-litre diesel R Sport, top of the range. It's in absolutely fabulous condition. It in no way looks or drives anywhere near the mileage. Light anthracite alloy wheels, finished in tungsten grey. It's got reverse park sensors and reverse camera. This car does have electric tailgate as well. Boot area is absolutely stunning condition throughout. Obviously got electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, full leather interior. Got pedal shift on the gearbox if you want. It's got satellite navigation, reverse camera, climate control, heated seats, Bluetooth, different styles of driving it, traction control, cruise control. Really is fully loaded. So if you require any further information, this is the facelift model as well. Please call us on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.